Founded in 1984, Lone Star College-Kingwood has since led the way for helping students reach their academic goals in the Northeast Houston area. As part of the Lone Star College system, the college offers many academic courses, specialized workforce programs, and continuing education programs, in addition to two-year degrees. Offerings include education, fire science, visual communication, drama, cosmetology, and computer information technology programs.
Through the college's Health Profession Center, which houses state-of-the-art equipment, simulation labs, and top-notch medical spaces, LSC-Kingwood offers degrees to train you for the dental assisting, dental hygiene, nursing, occupational therapy, and respiratory care professions. LSC-Kingwood provides you with a variety of services to assist in your educational journey, including the Learning Commons, which offers tutoring, student IDs, and library resources. Career Services, which assists you in resume building and finding a job. Communities and Schools, a retention program which offers counseling services and support to ensure students succeed in their academic goals, as well as TRIO Student Services, the Veterans Center, the Men's and Women's Centers, accessibility services, and more.
At all of LSC-Kingwood's locations, you can choose a mode of instruction, in-person, online, or hybrid, that works best with your schedule. The campus also partners with area school districts to offer dual credit courses and early college high school programs. LSC-Kingwood and its satellite centers serve more than 11,000 students each semester. The LSC Process Technology Center in Generation Park offers associate degrees in process technology and instrumentation technology, as well as core classes, while LSC Atascocita Center offers classes in a variety of subjects. Additionally, LSC East Aldine Center offers general credit classes and a variety of programs, including HVAC, welding, and inspection technology.
The campus and its centers are home to a vibrant campus life, serving as venues for various community events, including drama productions, concerts, recitals, art shows, a monthly food fair, and more.
Schedule an appointment today to start your future tomorrow at Lone Star College-Kingwood.